Oh, she think I'm cute. She wanna have sex. Back again, guys. Oh, you can see I look mad ugly this morning, but good morning. 9:15. My nose is all stopped up, bro. Just feels super itchy right now. Celsius. I get this little yogurt cup I'm about to crack into for a little breakfast. But let's fucking analyze the chart for a little bit first. Get my pre-market analysis up. As far as news, today is a no news Monday. It looks like the rest of the week we do have some pretty good shit. So every other trading day should be straight. Today is just gonna be a little bit chill. I might end up taking a trade today, but I'm not gonna be like looking to jump into something unless we see like something crazy. But let's see what we can see. So I guess we'll just start on the weekly. Why not? Because last week ended interesting. Last week we didn't really move at all, but we didn't take out these highs, these weekly highs technically. So we still have these weekly highs to take out on ES, on NQ. Yeah, on NQ we didn't take out shit either. But there's not a weekly high for us there on NQ, at least on the daily. Or on the weekly. On the daily. No, we haven't taken it out. That's this right here. Ooh, did we? No, we created like a relative equal high. Almost there. We like edged that shit. This is probably the next zone of liquidity I'm looking for us to punch into, especially with this unfilled daily gap right here too. So we have a high and a daily gap because we never poked into it here. Here, there's no daily gap, but on NASDAQ, that John is fat. 4 hour. Yeah, we're just making this like bullish staircase up right now. So on the 4 hour right now. Yeah, wow, this looks like we're definitely gonna come take out this liquidity for sure. This is like, I should just hit buy right now and just fucking wait for market open. Market open's gonna fucking slingshot right through this shit. But let's see. Is there anything crazy? I mean, nah. We have this 4 hour gap that we already inversed from a long time ago that was not even unfilled. On the 4 hour, as far as like more recent stuff, we're just respecting this bullish gap right here and this bullish gap right here. Like all around this trend, we're just respecting bullish. So until we start to like reverse, we'll stop to be bullish. But we built up a lot of this low resistance, so I'm assuming that once they both take out these highs and NASDAQ taps into this 4 hour gap, or daily gap, I mean, then we'll probably be looking to take out all this low resistance liquidity right here. Because we took out external liquidity right here. Well, technically, we took out external liquidity down here, and we're still reacting up from here to some sort of internal liquidity. I guess it would be on the higher time frame. We did react here off this daily gap, but we didn't actually make a move down. We just made one red candle and continued up. So maybe this will be like kind of our high time frame internal liquidity that we're going to rebalance off of to send us down. Bow, what a mouthful, bro. Good morning, guys. I'm feeling good today. Followed my rules last week. Let me pull up that P&L from last week real quick just so y'all can see. I should be posting a video later today because I'm going to edit it right after this. Going over a little bit of psychology, just kind of talking about like what it means to be profitable. But last week, overall, barely up on the week, 235. The week before that, I was down 291. So all my accounts are like $50 in the negative, like 49,950, like type shit, literally. So nothing crazy. Let's see, on the 15-minute, I'm just going to go down here so I can mark out my session liquidities. We have London highs, London lower here. London lows. Is this wick high? Yeah, it is. London highs and Asia lows. Yes. Asia lows. London lows. And London highs. Cool beans. Okay, so this is actually a little bit farther away than I thought than on the higher time frame, because on the higher time frame this looks like it's fucking right there on the 4 hour. You're like, yo, that shit's right there. Oh, and also S&P is a little farther away than NASDAQ. NASDAQ is actually like right there. Yeah. Okay, cool. So do we have any like SMTs coming in? Should I put it like this? Nah. Any higher time frame SMTs? I mean, this high got taken out. This high also got, like, they both edge this high right here with the 4 hour gap. So there's no real SMTs unless there's one at the lows here. Nah, no SMTs right now. Cool. I don't want to have to deal with them. Okay, so 30-minute. Everybody's just reacting off bullish. Hourly, there's hourly gaps down here that we respected a lot. Wow, okay. That's how we created the London lows. We came to create these London highs, and now we're rebalancing here. Still just respecting bullish, though. Oh, we did create an SMT at 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. Yep, 5 a.m. goes down to 7 a.m. Okay, yeah, here, I'll mark that out. 15-minute SMT. This goes down to 7 a.m. while on NQ. This price goes up to here. Cool, even though I wouldn't say, like, I guess I would say invalid just because this SMT is complete, because we had this SMT at the lows. Once you take out that, like, last high of that move, that SMT is complete. Oh, okay, well, ES didn't take it out. Okay, so on the 50-minute, ES came down, made a lower low, and then reacted up and hasn't taken out this high yet, but NASDAQ has. That's right. Okay, cool. So right now we have SMT. Right now we have an SMT at the highs and the lows. It'd be cool if we just like wick up and then come down, take this out, and then go higher, but or just get some sort of continuation in here. Honestly, that wouldn't be too bad. Because I'm probably just, I mean, I wouldn't say it's free because it is a no news Monday, so we need to see how the market's moving. But on NASDAQ, like this, like high time frame for daily high mixed with daily gap mixed with relative equal high that we already took out. Mixed with this little wick that's right here above, like, look at that, right there. So, we'll see. I mean, if this was like a Friday, like if this wasn't a no news Monday, if there was some news, the market would literally just print right to here on market open probably. And then we would use that to try to see if we're going to go lower or not. But we're just going to figure out what happens. I mean, there's 5 minutes till market open. Look at the yogurt cup, bro. Let's go, baby. Another day just to sit back, chill, follow my rules. Y'all know the vibes. We're here to be disciplined, bro. I'm just about to hit a little. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I see what's going on. I see what's going on. Long, and then it's gonna go like that. That's what's happening today. That's what's happening today. We're hitting a crazy one. Maybe. It doesn't really matter to me whether we do or don't, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm on that profitable mindset, bro. It don't matter if we win or lose, bro. I'm following my processes, bro. I'm following my strategy, bro. I'm making a good, educated trade, bro. Real shit. Real spill. All right. Let's go. We're going down. I just gotta remember, no news Monday. Just chill out. Be careful. Be careful. Let's close this right now. Cool, cool. Oh, and this was the telling me about some Christmas shit, but it's like one of those Christmas competitions trading where you can make money on paper trading, but it's TradingView, and they have prizes for like the top 500 paper traders, pretty much. But you can only trade certain indexes, and S&P and Nasdaq isn't one of them. So I will not be participating. I'm just trying to peep and see, like, if we have a gap, like if we just shit the bed right now in inverse, what would make me bearish here? I don't know. I feel like I'm bullish regard. Like, we would have to do some really weird shit for me to be bearish. Just because everything in this leg is respecting bullish. Everything. And then we have a high time frame bullish or bearish gap up here that we're drawing to. So it's like, or at least I think we're drawing to it. We even have an SMT at the lows inside of a 1 hour gap here. Like, come on. It gets to a point, dude. Like, look at all this. Perfectly respected this shit. Like, look, only wicks, bro. Oh, SMT. Before market open, though, guys, what are you doing? Oh my gosh, market makers, what are you doing? Don't leave without me. Am I taking a trade right off the open, though? Like, what am I doing here? Like, let's see, 5 minute. We have London. We have a lot of like session liquidity around here. Like, recently, it's been like just one London low or one London high that we take out. But today we got Asia lows in the mix too, and London highs. So it's like we can chill out. We got a lot of liquidity around, even though there's no news. We got shit for us to be able to take out. Alright, so the candles are closing. It's just like 30-minute inverse or whatever. I guess there is a low time frame. Or not, I wouldn't say low time frame, but a 30-minute inverse right here. Oh, fuck. Okay. Yo, shit. Fucking... imagine you long off the open, you would have got fucked. At least on S&P. Nasdaq is chilling. Okay. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. So super SMT off the open. Wow. Okay. That's cool. So, oh wow. Oh wow. And Nasdaq is just going straight up, bro. All right. That's pretty cool. So you have an SMT at London lows. Okay, Nasdaq took out London highs. I feel like I should put them like this. But, you know what? I'm going to do that tomorrow. I'm not going to worry. The market's already open. I'm not going to worry about changing how I look at it. Yeah, we're definitely just going to chill out. Like, fuck. Yeah. Like, no news Monday. ES took out London lows. Nasdaq took out London highs. So we got an SMT off the lows and the highs right now. What does this 1 minute even fucking look like, bro? On ES. Still going down. Okay. 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 And Nasdaq is just going up. I'm just going to wait just because obviously I'm not going to long randomly to this gap. But if Nasdaq gives me an entry, I will long to this gap because ES is pushing down and all that, blah, blah, blah. But that's also because ES doesn't have this daily gap. ES only has this weekly high. Right? That's what it is. Yeah, weekly high for ES. Daily high, whatever. But there's no gap above here. But Nasdaqerson has that gapiana. What think you doing right now? Still just pushing up. No entry though. Ooh, that was fire. Dun, 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 dun. Cause look, that shit's juicy, bro. Daily high with the unfilled daily gap. Sheesh. Don't get caught up in this shit ever though. All these like double SMT bullshit whenever this shit happens off the open, literally just sit back and chill. Like I don't got time to be getting swept up in this. Okay, so Nasdaq is going to be the one that comes back down. Okay. Okay. Oh, we also had an SMT at the highs here. That ES now completed right here. From this high down to this high, Nasdaq made a higher high here. But ES came down and completed it when it made this SMT. So we took out Asian lows too, bro. Fuck, okay. Alright. No, but this is good. This is good. I just need a nice, like, little decent setup. Like, don't do me too crazy. Like, give me a decent level for us to, like, retrace to, and then, you know, let's make some shit shake, bro. Like, are we... Okay, so, I mean, we're at equilibrium. This would be mad early, though. 9:35 is kind of crazy. Two big wicks off the EQ. Looks like ES is starting to turn around a little bit now, but like, am I still on? Like, I'm trying to think. Yeah, I'd still be willing to go long on NASDAQ for this gap, even with this bullish or bearish SMT in place. Just had to decide real quick. Nice, but it seems like we're coming down to set up some sort of structure. Some structure. Cool. Yes, you still going down, bro? Fuck. Yo. Wicks to the tops and bottom of all these candles though, so not really a gap as of yet. Right now we are reacting off this like big 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, right? Is there a 5 minute? There is now. There is down here now a 5 minute. Cool. 15. Looking a little weird still on the 15. ES came down even lower. And it still is. Yo, you ain't fucking done yet, bro. Does ES have some like crazy shit down here? Like what? Like what? Like what? What? See ya. I hate it being my Adidas. Yeah, bro. ES is just going lower and lower. Oh, wait. This 5 minute didn't even close. I'm dumb. We just closed so that there's nothing here. 3 minute, if we can close down here, we'll have one. But if we close down here, we'll also inverse this old 3 minute. Interesting. What does the market want to do? What do you want to do with yourself, Padawan? First 5 minutes just closed of the 90 minutes. Okay. Okay, baby, calling me Hercules. Cause that H on my waist, but this bitch is never Hermes. Oh, okay. I done pop me a perky. It's an old song. Oh, okay, baby. Don't. Let's begin after 3, cause the nigga like foreplay. Okay. All right. I mean. Right now we're just chilling, we're just watching. We're looking for like some sort of entry to this gap up here. But at the same time, this is all right now for me just accumulation. So I still want to see some sort of manipulation of the lows before going higher. Especially because like at the bottom, to really be in a trade, like if we come down, if we were to like come down, tap a level, and immediately react up, I wouldn't get caught in this trade at all, even if there's a bunch of confluence that is down here, or like an inverse or whatever. Just because at the bottom, you always kind of want to see this little pattern, like this kind of double bottom pattern, to then go up, to sweep out these lows. Because that's how you know this shit really protected as far as your stop loss, because it already took out the liquidity, so we don't need to revisit there. Cool. Okay. And we're just like dumping. Taking a straight. Yo, ES, bro. Damn. Damn. Who would have thunk it? I didn't think we were going to come down and take out all this liquidity today. But we are. Straight up. Oh shit, okay, wow. That was crazy. That was fucking crazy. As soon, I guess I'll just put the big time frame SMT here. As soon as you took that shit out. Oh shit. Oh shit. They hit your ass with the uppercut. Yo, I'm too hype. I'm too hype. Nah, but you took out that low and they hit your ass with a mean uppercut, yes. A mean one. NASDAQ did take out this low, but it also got hit with that fucking uppercut, bro. Any gaps? Any gaps, people? Nope. So, we still have a big SMT, like, not even like that. Like, that shit goes all the way down to like here, bro. This is from here up to here. Cool. Cool beans. So we have a humongous SMT. Very big time frame SMT. Like right now, I mean, even though we did wick below it, we are technically respecting like the 79%. But this is one of those lows, you know, we came down, came up. I don't know if we can come and retrace to this, but if we do, that would be nice. That would be some extra confluence for sure. But SMT at the lows, we could see that as the sweep because we did have this low here. And then we broke down below it. came right back up. Okay, so 5 minutes just open. So how'd the 15-minute close? Nasdaq does have these like low resistance lows down to, like, honestly, as far as like the looks of a setup, the setup looks bearish, but I'm not like I already said, there's nothing that would really make me bearish here. But just like as a general like high resistance to low resistance, this long wick with the sweep looks just like a protected stop and a high resistance draw versus these 1, 2, 3 low resistance draws. But when you take ES into account, shit, at this point I don't even know. Would I be willing to catch a short here, bro? Fuck no. Fuck no, baby. Yeah, hell nah. Hell no, I ain't taking no short today, man. Because look, NASDAQ looks good. But if you're going to take, there's literally a big, like with this big of an S&T at the low, am I crazy? Am I insane? And I know ES has these like kind of low resistance down here, these relative equal highs. But nah. It just comes with some discretion and shit. I don't like that. I don't like that. That shit don't turn me on. But this gap up here, though, this is making me tingle up here. Yo, I'm dead. Holy shit. Sing it. Ladies. It's an old ass TikTok song. Let me get rid of this. I'm not actually taking the trade off of that fib. Oh, we are just taking out more lows, bro. What the hell? Yo, maybe short was just, maybe it's just short day, bro. It's just short day and I just got ripped, bro. Let me see. Theoretically, we make the SMT at the high, 5 minute. Let me look. 1 minute. I mean, here we don't sweep the high, so I wouldn't be looking for anything in this, man. Like, where's an entry here, bro? Maybe like I don't know, just because like, because on this inverse we make it 1, 2 candles, 3 candles, and then we inverse it 4 candles. But okay, yeah, so you're just gonna take out everything, bro? Let me put this back down here just in case you're gonna come down all the way down here and take these out. Like shit. Yes, or NASDAQ finally took out the session liquidity. So this might be good. We still have that SMT in place. It's 9:49. So macro opens at 10 minutes. We have these lows below that ES is currently fucking around at. Yo, this Celsius is... Sorry. Yo, I'm mad, like... I'm mad chilled out today, bro. Celsius is hitting my booty hole right now, though. I might have to go take a shit. Take another sip. Oh, you like that? That's what good pussy sounds like. Like that fucking mac and cheese video, bro. Bro, I be brain rotted out, bro. Don't it? Hold on, everybody, shut up. No. No, we gotta do a little. Just like I was just talking about the double low, guys. Come on, give it to me. Phone on, do not disturb. I just heard you make a notification sound. No, I kind of like this. We're looking good right now because we both took out these bottom session liquidities. ES still has London highs intact while NASDAQ took it out. So we do have this high time frame, or not high time frame, but we do have this bearish SMT here. But we completed it after we're taking out all these lows. So we completed this SMT by taking out all these lows while making another SMT and taking out Asian lows and London lows. ES being all the way down here, taking out all the way down here. So we're just going to wait because I need double lows anyway. I need like some sort of reversal. Like, here, let me redraw this. Like after we sweep into a key level, I need us to like not only make a double low right here and sweep out our liquidity, but then also hit me with like one of these, and then I'm long. So it's like this would be our key level, our high time frame key level, or liquidity sweep after taking out session liquidities. And then your entry is like around here. Pink. Stop at the low. This is how I like to take my trades. So that's what we're really like waiting and looking for. Let me see if there's is there gaps down here? I'm tripping. Like I wasn't even looking at the higher time frame gaps. We have a 4 hour. We're inside of a 4 hour right now. You're also inside of a 1 hour. There's not a good 30-minute here. Or a good 15-minute. Okay, so is there a daily here? No. Cool. So 4 hour gap. I was about to say ends here with these Asian lows. 1 hour. I see we're already reacting. It's above. So we have 6 minutes left. I'm just gonna put this here, the 1 hour, because that's the higher of the gaps. So I want to see if we disrespect any of them after while we're closing, because this macro is closing in 6-7 minutes. Yo, I'm fucking weird as shit for that. Yo, what is wrong with me, bro? Am I fucking 2 years old? Hold on. Hold on. 9:43. 9:43. Okay, cool. Yeah, we're in this hourly gap. Let's see where we're closing, because since it is no news Monday, price is just moving mad nice and easy. If we have any like low-hanging fruit before this gap, it might be nice to take some partials, but it looks like we don't really have much besides like this 2-minute unfilled gap, which isn't really like a level of liquidity, I would say. Well, we're respecting. We are respecting this 1 hour gap. Oh, here it comes. Yep. We're gonna respect this 1 hour. We're either just gonna go straight up from here and just fucking leave everybody behind, or we might just chop around here for a little bit. 10 a.m. is gonna open. Oh shit. Once 10 a.m. opens, we'll hit that AMD, because this is going to be all of our accumulation. We're going to manipulate down one last time before taking us to the fucking moon. Maybe not, though. It is No News Monday, so... You know what I'm saying? As soon as we take out those internal highs, I'm at break even, brother. I'm at break even. All we do now is wait, though. Patience is key. We're really just chilling. Big chilling. I say I'm a line on 8. I don't really have time to go take a shit, but I'm going to go take a quick piss before this macro opens so I can lock in. Ugh, I can never focus when I gotta pee. Oh shit. It all depends on the next candle. Are we gonna inverse this gap or what? Because this hour, I mean, it's the last minute of the hour, bro. Last minute of the hour. Are we gonna inverse this gap? That's crazy. There's no gap here on ES. I just peeped that. No hourly gap. Is there a 4 hour? There's only a 4 hour down here. Let me see. So ES is respecting the really only like bullish gap there is, which is this 4 hour on its chart. NQ on the 4 hour. Wow. It's gonna inverse both. Stays within this 4 hour. But on the 1 hour, it inverses. Huh. Interesting, interesting. That is something that it's like, I don't really like that. I don't really like that, man. Would I take a trade in spite of it? High time frame bullish SMT. We swept out London lows. Bro, to me, this just looks mad sexy, bro. I wish it wasn't a No News Monday. It's okay, though. It is, so let me just sit back and wait. I mean, if we like manipulate these lows again, and then, give me an entry to the top, I'll enter that hoe. Ugh. That sucks, bro. It's just annoying that NASDAQ inversed this 1 hour, but on the 4 hour, stayed intact. Yeah, the 4 hour stayed intact. Pushing up. There's no entry for me here. And we didn't resweep. And I'm not looking to short with such a high time frame bearish SMT that we just put in. So it's just a sit back and wait for me. Alright. Yeah, I don't know, bro. I'm gonna give the market some more chance. Look at that. Okay, so we're starting to go back down. I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm off the charts just yet, just so I like to give the market a chance. But no, this is all low resistance, bro. What is this on ES, bro? There's not a single fucking bone in this move up. Like, nothing to stop you on the lower time frame. But I mean, obviously, on like when you have consistent down like this, there's gonna be higher time frame gaps. So ES does have an unfilled 15-minute. Where'd the midnight open at? Up here. Yeah, I mean, ES has this unfilled 15-minute, but you know, on ES, the one that made the lower low and the one that's been like super bearish all day. I mean, let me delete these since both indexes took it out already. Took out our liquidity to the downside. points are we really moving right now? A lot. Yeah, we kind of are. Yeah, I mean, as far as NASDAQ goes, I think I'm just gonna kind of disregard this 1 hour gap, just because of the 4 hour. I mean, we respect the 4 hours, so just gonna be careful. And I mean, kind of like I said, the 10 a.m. candle opened up right here, and now we're kind of chopping around. We're not really expanding anywhere. So there's going to be a manipulation. How about a distribution? Hopefully. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. And my Uncle Ruckus on y'all. There's not a day in this world. Oh, should I turn the camera? Look. My camera got AI in it. Y'all face cam ain't doing this, nigga. My shit got automatic tracking, boy. Automatic tracking. Look, hand up. Now y'all freeze frame. Now y'all ain't tracking me no more. I'm like that. Alright, so we're going up. I mean, we did get this inverse here, but yeah, I mean, I could have taken some, like, a discretionary, kind of more like discretionary trade here if I really wanted to. Just because we are, like, respecting levels, we're doing all this and that, blah, 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 but no. No. SMT? SMT at the highs right here. Oh, and at the lows. Look at ES taking out this shit. There we go. We did make a small SMT at these highs. Let's see how low we go here, though, because ES is dumping a little bit, hitting a little dumpy. Are we gonna take out this manipulated low over here with SMT, or everything but it? If we take out that too, that would be super fire. Honestly, that would be sick. Kind of this 10 a.m. low is kind of what we're hunting for right now. We might put in this 1 minute gap here. You don't have any 2 minutes, 3 minutes right now, but this 1 minute inversion might be strong. Yeah, if we invert this gap, I'm looking to get in here. I would since this is like the manipulated low, I guess I could put my stop loss at this one, but I'm gonna put at this one just in case, like, because this one is the one that holds the S&T with ES's lower low. Oh, okay, so ES is taking out everything now, right? Do we just take this out? Fuck, bro. Be a little more obvious. Let's see. Low 86925. Low 86925. Oh, okay. All right, perfect. We took it out. Cool. Cool. So now we also have an SMT like this. Boom. And the gaps up there. No 2 minute, no 3 minute, 5 minute, nothing. 1 minute. Cool. From here to wherever up here. No, if we inverse this one, I'll put it here. Yeah, so it would have to be this 1 minute. See if we tap it and go down, or like how we react off of it. Because if we just straight up, boom, right through there, it's not bad. It's not bad. Oh, we're just going down more. I don't know. This like staircase down is like, what is going on here? What is going on? Oh shit. Wow, ES did take out those relative equal lows down here. Wow. Okay. It's like every single time NASDAQ goes lower, yeah, they're both just going straight down. I mean, took out this low. This is Friday the 5th, 12:30. Jesus. I mean, there's a potential 5-minute gap here. But it looks like we're heading. We still have this 1 minute here. We did this final manipulation right here. Took out all this low range liquidity, made a high time frame SMT with ES. Oh gosh, don't tell me my fucking internet is shitting the bed now. No, we're fine. We're fine. Depending on what these next 30 minutes look like, we might have an unfilled 30-minute here at the close. Yeah, I'm not really sure. I mean, I'm just watching. Nothing's really happening. Like, we're just kind of chopping around here and then going lower. If we're gonna take out this low again, it's like, fuck. Or maybe we're actually like trying to go lower. Like, I get it on ES, but yeah, the only thing now is that the only gap we have like to enter on as far as like an inversion would be up here. And we're not really creating any bullish gaps to retrace into. So it kind of puts us in a sticky situation as far as entry. There's no entries here. Okay, so we just decided to sweep this liquidity one last time. SMT again here at the lows. Okay, I'm fine with that. I mean, 1 minute SMT, technically I could get in on that, but I'm not going to. Just because it's a No News Monday. Not gonna do that, but technically 1 minute SMT right here. To you. All right. This is kind of ass. Yeah, this setup is kind of boo-boo. There's no like good manipulation. Everything, it's literally like, look at, bro, this shit's just sitting here. Yeah, this has like the tiniest little like 1 minute gap right here. I know it doesn't. I'm tripping. It does not. Yeah, this isn't even a. I'm like, I was just looking back at this to see if this would have been like a good short to get down here, but nah, because the only short like that I would take here would be like maybe here, because we make this high, we take out the high, but then this is where that 15-minute gap finishes. So putting my stop loss where an unfilled 15-minute gap lies is not fucking smart. So there's no way I would do that. No way, Jose. No chance. There is no chance. And now NQ is just going fucking shit in the bed now. It said, my turn, my turn. Yeah, wow. Okay, yeah. So we're just taking out all this liquidity to the downside. Was there a short on NASDAQ? Like, this little SMT at the highs right here. Not really. Market's just mad choppy today. Nice staying patient though, Miles. That's good. Yeah, I think this is about done for me. Yeah, that's probably... Yeah, I mean... Yeah, I mean... Oh, we're reacting? I was about to say, is there is SMT here at all still or not? Because this is that low, 1230 low. Yes, didn't take that out. I mean, technically it is an SMT from this low, just because ES, like this is an SMT at this low again, so ES technically already took out this low since it's up here, while NASDAQ didn't. So, what's going on here though? What time is it? 28. This is an unfilled 5-minute right here. Edging a 1-minute candle for a 5-minute for right? Yeah, but like what? No. Plus, I'm not really looking for us to come all the way back up here after that. At least before 11, like in the next 30 minutes. 30-minute unfilled is up here though. Just as a BT dubs. But okay, hold on. Let me have this SMT. Oops. I'm debating between just calling it quits right now or seeing if we can still find something here. Imagine entering like 40 million contracts right here just to hit this 5-minute gap. It's fucking bankroll. Right, Odafield. Oh my god! Oh my god! It hit the 5-minute gap. Yo, if we get a 5-minute inverse here, are we taking this, boys? What's the verdict? We swept out all the liquidity to the downside almost. Sorry. It's just the way I feel. Time's been waiting so long. Yeah. It's just the way it feels. Mine's been racing so long, and I just can't take it no more. I've been fighting temptations, my love. You hear me? You said, Lord, can you hear me? And I just can't take it no more. I've been feeling so reckless, I know. I think I'm out. Unless we come and take out like these lows at least, then, you know, if we manipulate some lows, then maybe, okay, cool, I can look for some top side. But without some sort of like, without something down here, or like something like maybe even like this, even maybe, but straight up like this, like straight up like that is not something that I'm trying to take an inverse on. feel like this is a nice inverse on the 2 minute, but I don't know. I just don't like this. The No News Monday too. S&P tapped into a 1 minute gap. NASDAQ tapped to an inverse 1 minute. And a regular 1 minute. Or it tapped into a 2 minute inverse. Two-minute inverse and a 2 minute gap. 1 minute, we just swept out this. Oh, we're creating a 1 minute SMT. So right now we're really kind of respecting the 5 minute. 3 minute gaps, there's none. We inversed it technically. 2 minute gap, we're in a 2 minute gap right now, or 2 minute inverse right now. We just inversed this 2 minute up here. One minute gap, we technically have one right here. $10.40. Damn, I gotta piss again. These next candles are crucial. These candles are super small. I don't know, maybe the moves for the day are just done. You know, we want to make an SMT off this low right here. Oh, here we go. Wait, this is it right here, actually. SMT right here at these lows. Oh, never mind. 2 minute gap got respected, so we're not gonna tap that. See how we finish this 3 minute gap, because if we can still react bullish out of here, this 3 minute gap will still be valid, which is where you ideally want to take it off the highest inverse anyway. But if we react down off this right here, I'm just done for the day. I'm not going to be looking for more entries. This is like probably the last entry we'll potentially get. There's also a 5 minute gap right here. Let's see. This is the last minute. We'll see if we get this entry right here. Oh no, it doesn't look like it. Imagine. Last second. Nah. Yeah. I'm probably just done here. Yeah, and I mean, on the 5, well, actually, hold on. Let me give it another candle. I know we did wick, but if we wick and then come all the way up and close above it, that's still gonna be good. But I'm not looking to take it like a 2 minute. This 2 minute. This is too many candles. Well, we're kind of, if we inverse on this exact candle, maybe it's okay, but I think ideally I'm gonna want the 3 minute regardless. Because this is tap 1, 2 candles, 3 candles. If we take a 4th candle, that's like whoa. It's like whoa. But if it depends on the time frame. So if we do 1 candle, 2 candle, that's straight. That's straight. I'm gonna take that. I'm taking that. Let's see. Do we have like a lower time? Oh yeah, we do have an unfilled 15 minute right here. Perfect. If we get the inverse here. Oh wait, what? 683.50. 683.50. So these are equal lows now. Nah, this is going down, bro. Bro, fuck. What are we doing here, yo? Fuck, bro. I gotta piss, bro. If I need to end, oh my god. Yeah, if I need to, I'm gonna look it from my phone. So if I need to enter something, I'm gonna enter from my phone. But I doubt I'm gonna enter. It's 10:50, bro. Nah, I think I'm good. think I'm good off this setup, little bro. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, let's just look at it from here. Boom. So we have an SMT here. Boom, boom. Because Nasdaq just took out the. Oh no, we don't have an SMT here. So no SMT. We took out all the SMTs. We made it so there's none left. NQ. Are we inversing this gap now? I didn't mark out this 1 minute gap on the while I was in the bathroom. But it's just like, bro, this is not a good setup, bro. Like, ooh. I still have a high time frame SMT, I guess. But the last thing that's making an SMT is right here, and we just push down hard towards it. Yeah, bro, nah. And we're just... I don't think so. Nah, I think I'm good. I think we're gonna expand up during the afternoon session. Yeah, I'm done. Should have been done at like 10:30, honestly. I thought about calling it way earlier, but I wanted to give it a chance just in case, because I mean, sometimes No News Mondays, like, they're really choppy, but they usually move just straight in one line, just like this. Like, the draw was lower today, so they just moved straight down. That's crazy. But there wasn't really an entry for me today. That's okay. Yeah. Alright, cool. Well, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you didn't like it. No trades today. But the rest of the week coming up should be super straight. You know, do this TradeZilla again just to make sure. We'll resync that. So it says 0 imports. So you know I'm not capping. Import completed. No new executions found. Very cool. Chilling, staying disciplined. No News Monday. No trades. Peace.